My name is Nadine. I'm a mom and a personal trainer. I've been working in fitness for 13 years.
My name is MAHMOOD HUSSEIN, 27 years old. I'm into fitness, I'm into working out. I've been in this field for about 11 years now.
My name is YASMINE. I'm a wellness and movement coach. I am a personal trainer, group instructor, and nutritional coach.
My name is Tam Khan, ex-professional mixed martial arts fighter turned entrepreneur. I've been based in Dubai now for 13 years.
Ramadan to me is a time to be spent with family. It's a time to go inwards and focus on myself.
It's all about sharing and giving. You share your prayers, your food, your meal.
It's like gatherings around your friends, family, loved ones.
It has more than one meaning to me.